Continuing with operations with fractions examples in your Math 021 workbook. Looking at example 5, we are to write the reciprocal for each fraction. So remember, reciprocal really just means we're flipping our fraction. It does not change the sign or do anything else. It just replaces the numerator with the denominator and the denominator with the numerator. So if I look at my first one there, a, 2 over 7. So if I flip that, that would become 7 over 2. So that would be our reciprocal. We're not going to do anything to it. We're not going to change it to a mixed number or anything like that. We're just going to leave it as that improper fraction. Okay. Looking at B, negative 4/5. Again, we don't change the sign. It's going to say negative. We're just flipping the fraction part. So negative 4 over 5 would be the reciprocal of negative 5/4. Okay. We're going to use reciprocals when we do examples 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 are both division problems. Remember, when we divide, we keep the first fraction. So 5/9 for number 6 will stay 5/9. Change division to multiplication. And then use the reciprocal of our second fraction. So that will become 3 over 2. And then we do our multiplying. So 5 times 3 is 15. 9 times 2 is 18. We can simplify this, and we should simplify this. 3 goes into both of our numbers here. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. And 18 divided by 3 is 6. So our simplified answer would be 5 over 6. For example 7, same concept. So we're going to keep that first fraction, 14 over 5. Change our division to multiplication. And flip 1/2 and make its reciprocal, which would be 2 over 1. Go ahead and multiply. 14 times 2 is 28. 5 times 1 is 5. There are no factors that go into both 28 and 5, so that will be our final answer. We're going to leave it as that improper fraction. We don't need to convert it. So 28 over 5 would be our answer for example 7.